This is it. It's here. It's finally time. It's time to learn the truth.
Welcome aboard.
The truth about NFTs. We've all come a long way since last year. Some of us have just made and minted our first NFTs, while others have already profited hundreds of thousands of dollars and even millions from their investments and projects. We went from thinking that blockchain and cryptocurrency could be a fad to understanding exactly why it's not. And now we're literally forging a path into a new digital infrastructure powered by the blockchain. And we're inviting you along for the ride. Want to come?